In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Copilot in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Windows Copilot is designed to help by offering tips, suggestions, and assistance while you use your computer. But if you prefer a more distraction-free experience or you're concerned about privacy, you may want to turn it off. Don't worry, the process is quick and easy. First, look at your taskbar and find the Copilot icon. It usually appears as a small assistant or pen-style icon. Click on it to open the Copilot window. Once Copilot is open, move your attention to the bottom area of the window. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon to open a menu with more options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Copilot Settings page where you can control how it behaves on your system. Inside the settings, you'll see several switches or toggles. Each one controls a different Copilot feature, such as suggestions, activity tracking, or assistance tools. Go through these options one by one and turn each toggle off. By switching off all of these settings, you're effectively disabling Copilot's features, which means it will no longer run in the background or offer suggestions while you work. After you've turned everything off, simply close the Copilot window by clicking the X in the corner. Once closed, Copilot will remain inactive unless you choose to turn it back on later. That's all there is to it. You now have full control over whether Copilot runs on your device, helping you create a more focused and personalized Windows experience. And that's how you disable Windows Copilot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.